Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable IPv6 on Windows 11 or 10. For this, I will use control panel method that works fine on Windows 11 and 10 also. So let me begin without any delay. First, click on this one a start button and type control, and then click on this one control panel app entry in the search results to open the control panel on your Windows PC. After that, set view by to category. Then click on this one network and internet category. Then click on network and sharing center. Then on the left panel, click on this one change adapter settings. You will see your Ethernet or Wi-Fi adapters here. Right click on adapter. For that, you want to enable or disable IPv6, and then select this one properties option in the pop-up menu. Then you will see an option internet protocol version 6 TCP IPv6. To enable this option, you need to check this option. This one is checked. And to disable IPv6 on your PC, just uncheck this option, and after that click on OK. Your PC may ask to reboot, so if required, reboot your PC to apply the changes. Thanks for watching this video.